Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you the basic water simulation with Phoenix FD. It is basic tutorial for beginners. In few steps you will know how it's work. Before going to start, please subscribe my channel. So here is the fountain model you can see. First you have to select the water source object. Select the polygon for water outcome. In the modification option, make the ID name of the polygon. So now you have to go the Phoenix FD toolbar. Add the Phoenix FD liquid simulator around the fountain. After that you have to add Phoenix liquid source on the viewport. Then go to the liquid source modification option. Add the water source object. Scroll down and give the name of polygon ID. Adjust the outgoing velocity option. Then select the simulator. In the grid option, you can decrease the resolution. In the preview you can mark the show mesh. Then start the simulation. We can stop simulation if you think something is missing. Now I'm going to add initial fill up. In the dynamics, adjust the percentage. In liquid source option, fountain power is low, increasing outgoing velocity. Now start the simulator again. It will take time. Simulation is going good. Simulation is done. It's basic water simulation. You can put the material on simulator. Hope you will like this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos, and leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.